What is yoga about? I'm going to tell you today. I'm Krista Oakes, and I am a yoga and meditation instructor, and each week I like to share with you a Mindful Monday, a tip or an inspiration for living a mindful life. From the physical standpoint of yoga, it is all about the spine, the different movements of the spine. The arms and the legs and even the head are just the extremities of what we do with our spine. When you're doing a yoga practice, you want to try to include sitting tall, you want to practice twisting, you want to practice bending, you want to practice folding. All of these different things moves your spine in all the different directions. You want to lift the chest up and you want to round the spine. Yoga is about the movement of the spine. If you get that spine moving, everything else will follow, and you will create longevity and health and wellness in your body by practicing all the different ways that your spine can move. So do it with me now. I want you to twist and then twist the other way. I want you to round your spine, and then I want you to arch your back. I want you to take one arm and reach it up just to stretch and bend your spine, and then stretch and reach the other way. Good. And lastly, take your spine into a fold, letting the spine go upside down. That's what you need to make a practice complete, is moving the spine in all different directions. I hope you have a beautiful day. Namaste.